Hey, it's Roger Holloway on location in the studio with Chris Nordyke. We are the listing agents on this house in Cresswind. It's beautiful.
It is a gorgeous house. It's a Kolter built home. It is less than a year old, Roger.
55 plus, everybody's moving here for this, but to have to wait in line for the right lot and to be able to wait for a build job when you could walk right into a brand newly built home, it doesn't make sense to wait.
Well, the great thing about this house, too, is that they've chosen some of the really updated colors. You'll look at those nice wide plank wood flooring. You'll see all of the nice white trim work as well as some grays tones as well in the house.
If folks have walked through the model home village and they've seen the Hickory, you were impressed because I know this is my favorite plan out of all of them. But look what they've done from the great room into the kitchen. Beautiful.
Yeah, I love the kitchen. The cabinets are definitely upgraded in this. They're nice white painted. You see the beautiful slab granite that goes terrific with the gray backsplash.
Well, and plus these light fixtures are all upgraded. This seller has upgraded so many things, including putting plantation shutters, as you can see right there.
Yeah, and the plantation shutters look great with the colors because they're white, and the warm tones on the walls really make this house feel warm and special.
The refrigerator comes with it. The brand new washer and dryer comes with it. And don't you love what they did with this space?
Yeah, I love it. They're using it as an office. The builder originally designed it as the formal dining room, but it'll make a terrific flex room for anyone. It's right off the kitchen in the great room.
These are all upgraded light fixtures. They're brand new, completely customized drapes that all comes with the house. It looks great.
Yeah, so we're in the master bedroom now. You'll see there's coffered ceilings. I love this. There are 4 windows that really give this a nice light and bright room.
Great granite undermount sinks and that rain head. These are all upgraded light fixtures, Chris. You can't get this at the design center.
No, the seller really added a couple things after they moved in that they want to do special. You'll also see that there are 2 walk-in closet sections in the master bedroom, so definitely a his and hers space, or maybe it's a hers and hers space, Roger.
That's the way I usually frame it as well. Well, look at the hardwoods going all the way through. Again, the washer dryer come with it. Everything's brand new, and you won't have to wait. This lot backs up to the woods. So you have a view of the woods, which is pretty much behind the Novant Medical Center. And that will always be there as far as we know. And what a beautiful sight. Plus, what about the park across the street?
Yeah, so right in the cul-de-sac itself, there's a pocket park. And so there are no homes directly across from you. It's really going to add to your privacy. The other thing that I'll say, Roger, with the homeowners, and while it's a large lot, remember that all of the maintenance, yard maintenance, is all taken care of. There's no mowing here for the new owner.
And the irrigation's included. Another thing, too, about these other 2 bedrooms, it's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. The secondary full bath is beautifully done with tile on the floor. This could be the perfect house if somebody moving in even has an aging parent that wants to come.
Exactly.
Screened patio. Look at the view.
Well, and with the spring coming up and then summer not too far behind, it'll be a great spot. It's all screened in. It's 100% move-in condition and ready to go for its new owner.
If you'd like to see the video and full pictures, go to 7549shortput.com. Give us a call, 704-345-3400 or 704-453-3637. Can't wait to show you this house. The MLS number is 3371702.